Hello everyone, welcome. In today's newspaper on Friday, July the 17th, 2020. In this additional with extra Sudokus, we have 6 Sudokus. A Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, with 3 stars, with 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. And the first one is a Sudoku with 1 star, and this will be number. Let me focus this. Yeah. This will be number 1173. Yes, 1173. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The printed numbers are how many? 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 4 is 13, 16 plus 4 is 20, 24, 27. 27 printed numbers in this Sudoku. In the Sudoku with 1 star. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about these 3 numbers in the third column? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 6 and 5. No, 5 we have. 6 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers. The 9 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 4 is missing. I see here the 7 and the 9. So no 9 and the 7 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 4. The 9 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. Easier to follow. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9. No 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. And look, we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be the 9. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see which number. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the second row, the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so in the column between, the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 6, we see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. These 3 numbers in the third row are the numbers 3, the 5, and the 4 are missing. 3, 5, 4. 3, 4, 5. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. So we have here the 4 and the 5. Yes. All right. And now, how about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6, I believe. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and a 5 goes there. 3 numbers left in this big square. The numbers 5, 9, and 3. Look, we have a 5 and a 9 here. So this cannot be 5 or the 9. This should be 1 number left, should be the 3. 9 and the 5 goes there. Let me mark them for you. Then 6, 5. These 2 numbers, the 8 and the 6 are left. We have 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 5. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Here also 4 and the 5. Here also the 4 and the 5. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the last column, the 1 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 5 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then we have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 5. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers in this big square, the 5 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. I'm very pleased. Very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. Thank you, and bye bye for now.